I was gifted these mattress protectors. These are like incontinence pads, and they're fantastic because they are reusable. So if you have kids that are getting potty trained, if you have, that time of the month and you just want extra protection for your sheets, if you have an elderly grandparent who is struggling with incontinence, this is a fantastic option because you can put this right on the bed. You can, if I had a grandparent who was somewhat incontinent at times, I might put it under the top sheet, or the fitted sheet, I mean. But you could have this kind of as a backup measure to protect the mattress. So this is a multi-layer pad. The top and the middle are absorbent, and the bottom, there's a waterproof layer in there as well. Now this is actually really soft. Like, I feel like, yes, you're gonna feel the difference between this and a sheet, but it's not hard and abrasive like a lot of other ones are. I also love that, like I said, it's reusable. You can throw this in the wash and then you can use it again, which is fantastic. So I did get the 2-pack. This is the 36 by 36 size. And just for reference, this is a king size bed. So it covers about half of the king size bed. I'll show you on a twin. All right, and just for size reference, this is on a twin. So you can see it really covers the majority of the bed, which is fantastic. So if you have a child, you just position this so their shoulders and their back and the bum are right here, right in the middle, and then you're good to go. Like, it's fantastic. So on a twin, on a queen, on a king, any size, it really works well. This is the 36 by 36, like I said, and it's a fantastic reusable option for incontinence or just keeping things clean. Highly suggested, highly recommended. All right, here we're back on the king. And like I was thinking, so if you've ever used like the blue chucks that, it's like a papery texture almost, and it sticks to you if you're in bed. I know from experience, after having babies in the hospital, it's like awful. This is a fantastic one. It's not gonna stick to you like that papery one will, but it will give you some nice protection. So like I said, we highly recommend this.